How do personal injury attorneys get paid? Most personal injury attorneys take their cases on a contingency fee basis. And what that means is they review your case up front and they determine if you have a good claim. If you have a good claim and they're willing to take a risk on your case, they will take it on a contingency fee basis. And what that means is they don't make money unless you do. And and on top of that, there's also case expenses that they have to front out of their own pocket to maximize the amount of the value of the case, to maximize the amount that you're going to be able to get at the end of the day, like doctors' fees. We got to pay doctors to testify in the case. Sometimes you have to hire separate doctors that are not your treating doctors to give an opinion as far as relating the injuries that you actually have as a result of the crash to the injuries that are documented in your medical records. So we have to have a doctor to say that yes, these injuries are related to the car crash and they're not related to anything else. Or yes, these injuries are there. They may have been there before, but the crash actually aggravated those to a point that it made them worse. So there's also other experts that you may have to hire for your case, such as if you have a permanent impairment, you may have a loss of future earnings claim or loss of the capacity to earn money in the future. So you have to hire um, a professional person to give an opinion as far as what you have been impacted for as far as your loss of future income earning capacity. So personal injury attorneys don't get paid up front. They front all the money up front for those experts that you need to maximize the value in your case. And they only get paid at the end of the case, which sometimes that's 6 months to 2 or 3 years after they actually taken the case and been working on it for that amount of time. So they don't get paid unless you do, and they front all the costs. So even just talking to a personal injury attorney up front is not going to cost you anything. And if you've been in a car crash, it's definitely worth your time to at least call around to see some personal injury attorneys if they're willing to talk to you about your case and see if they'd be willing to take it. So keep that in mind if you've been in an auto accident or if you've been in personal injury due to somebody else's mistakes.